Okay, I'm about 5 miles south of Orchard Park now, and I'm starting to see the first bits of snow on the road as we go south toward the lake effect area. You can see there's just small amounts of snow on the sides of the road. Okay, so I'm now 8 miles south of where I started out, and starting to see a little bit more snow on the side of the road. Okay, the time is now 9:55 a.m. November 24th, 2012. I'm stopped here in Springville. Thought I'd make a little stop here on a detour. I've only gone about 20 miles south of where I started out. Temperature's now down to 30 degrees because there's a little bit more elevation here. And there's a pretty good dusting of snow on the ground here at Springville, just 20.5 miles from where I started. Okay, the time is 10:15. And I'm now far enough south that I'm back into the lake effect snow, or I'm into the lake effect snow for the first time. It's moved this far south. And it says I still got 9.7 miles to go on this road, so it's slow going. It's about 20 right now. Yeah, speed limit's 45. There's no way I'm going to do 45 with this snow on the road this way. And about 25. And the snowfall rate just continues to increase as I go further south. Time is almost 10:35 a.m. November the 24th, 2012. 37.2 miles south of Orchard Park. Look at this snow. The time is 10:37 a.m. Located about 40 miles south of Orchard Park. And it now looks like I've gone too far south for the snow. Located about 55 miles south of Orchard Park, and it's actually further south than the snow here, so there's not very much on the ground, not much falling. Okay, the time is now 12:12, and it looks like most of the snow is to the north of here, so Jamestown is further south than the snow. Got to go back north anyway to get back home. Time is 12:20 p.m., November 24th, 2012. There is maybe an inch or two of snow on the ground here in Jamestown. I'm going to head a little bit further north, back towards home, and that's where it seems like most of the lake effect snow is currently. It's currently north of here. Not quite as much here. It is snowing a little bit, but nothing major. Okay, the time is 12:30. I'm on 86 East here. Decent rate of snowfall, but unfortunately it doesn't seem like there's any place to stop. Hopefully there will be coming up. This is definitely a pretty area with the snow. I'm on Leon Road. I've driven 100 miles exactly total today at 1 p.m. Headed back home where it says I have about 49 miles left to get back to Orchard Park. This is considered an Amish trail. There was a horse and buggy that passed me going the other way. Okay, the time is 1:38. I'm about 10 miles south of Springville now, headed north. About 31 miles south of home, south of Orchard Park. Still snowing here, but this is about the edge of it. You can see there's some sleet mixed in with it. That's all that warm air from the lake. So it looks like we'll be running out of the snow here maybe in about 10 miles or so.